This edition of Biohacker Bulletin, I'm going to share the #1 anti-aging habit that you can start in 60 seconds or less a day. And yes, it is backed by science. My name is Jim O'Connor from Biohacker Bulletin, where we give you tips, tricks, and secrets in order to help you look better, feel better, and to perform better. Yes, evidence-based tips, tricks, and secrets. And Biohacker Bulletin can be found at biohackerbulletin.com. So do you want to live longer? Do you want to look younger? Do you want to stay sharp mentally, for work, for just performance in life without spending a ton of time throughout the day, hours in the gym or working on all these high-end biohacks that you can do or take 10 supplements a day? I'm going to give you the easiest, free, simplest, most powerful tool that you can use today. And this is something you want to pay close attention to. It is so simple. It's so easy and so free that you have no excuse not to do it. And it's this. It's daily walking. I know that sounds funny, but hear me out real quick here. Now, there's a recent meta-analysis study that was published in JAMA, and it looked at people that walked 8,000 steps a day. It significantly decreased their all-cause mortality. That's 8,000 steps a day. They showed a significant decrease in all-cause mortality. So yes, that is fantastic. That's going to help you. It's a great biohacking tip, is walking even 2,000 steps a day. You say, I don't have that kind of time to walk 8,000. 2,000 will make a difference. It also showed a remarkable difference by even doing that. So what you've been waiting for is the 1-minute hack that I'm going to give you. I said less than 60 seconds. It's something that you can do that's free, that's easy, and it's a powerful tool. And it's something called the 1-minute walking trigger. So after 1 minute. So what you're going to do is you're going to do a walking after meals for 1 minute. You're going to walk after meals, or you're going to walk after phone calls, or you're going to walk after meetings. So that's called the 1 minute. You're going to set the 1-minute walking trigger. And after meals, you're going to walk for 1 minute. After, let's say, a phone call, you're going to walk for 1 minute. After meetings, you're going to walk for 1 minute. Make it mindful. Set that 1-minute walking trigger, and it'll add up over time. You're thinking, well, 60 seconds isn't much, but it adds up the more you do it throughout the day, and it becomes an automatic habit. And guess what happens? You've got the greatest biohacking tool ever, and that's daily walking. You're burning more calories. You're going to feel better. It's going to help your longevity. It's an anti-aging tip that I suggest that you do right now. Can you do the 1-minute walking trigger? Absolutely, you can. Now, if you like this video, click like right now, and don't forget to subscribe to Biohacker Bulletin for 100% free right now. You can click the link below, and I'm going to take you to Biohacker Bulletin at biohackerbulletin.com. And for there, you're going to get on our list to get weekly, evidence-based tips, tricks, and secrets to help you look better, feel better, perform better in life and in your businesses. So take care and have a great day. Let's go ahead and do that 1-minute walking trigger and watch it change your life over time.